So, ever wondered how is it like to go in a motorcycle factory? I think I'm about to tell you in this video because I'm about to go in a tour of the Berlin plant here at BMW Motorrad. So cool, let's check out what's inside. Didn't know that the CE04 looks like this inside. So these are the small batteries. Nice. Over here are the buildings where BMW produces the motorcycles. It's quite interesting because they have the paint works over here, they have the welding, they have the assembly lines, and everything looks so cool. It's quite interesting because it's a small plant and they produce the GS over here, the S1000 they produce the machine parts for the engine and everything. So yeah, quite interesting.
Our plant and what we are actually doing here right at the heart of Berlin. Actually, we're producing 28 of our 32 models we have in our product portfolio. So basically every bike, except for the small 310 bikes and the combustion engine scooters, are locally produced here in Berlin and deliver Berlin air in their tires all over the world.
So these are close to finished. This is the area where they're testing the ABS and traction control before they put it on the dyno. So everything has to work. Before that, they have to check the linkages on the bike. They have pressure sensors. So this is a serious job to have because everything needs to run perfect before the bike goes inside that area over here for the dyno.
Which we use for inner European transport, and we get that back. This is always used in a circle. And for overseas transport, we have a wooden box with paper around it. And that's basically it. The trucks park right over there, and then the bikes are shipped all around the world from here. As easy.
So this is the final part where the bike gets before shipping. The dyno test is weld and done, and afterwards the bike is ready to be shipped. They put it over here. They put it on this cart, check the lights with this disposal. Just stick in the back.
Now heading back for the center. Feel free always come to the front.